Amazon in general is a very customer-centric organization. We are on Amazon Enterprise Support, and Enterprise Support team is very much dedicated towards resolving any queries that we get at any time of the day. We are into daily fantasy sports platform. It's an online game of virtual teams which is created from a real-life sports players, and points are scored as they perform in the ground. To score the maximum points, player needs to select the best players and be at the top of the leaderboard. Back in 2018, fantasy sports was booming in India. A lot of competitors were scaling up in terms of their revenues, user base, raising a lot of money from VCs. At that point, we saw this as an opportunity as a gaming company. So that's when Fanfight came into picture. We started using Amazon Enterprise Support from August 2019. With Enterprise Support, we get a dedicated TAM who helps us in any of the processes or the functions or increasing limits for any of the services whenever they is required. AWS has a very quick support in terms of enterprise supports that they offer. And as we scale, the cost for any of the services increases. But with AWS, as the volume increases, the overall price becomes cheaper. Apart from this, AWS certain services which are very much cheaper across other competitors, such as computing services or the storage services such as S3, which is very cost efficient and helps us store a lot of data sets on cloud. We in general never faced any issues in terms of our ticket which was lying over a day or so. Most of the queries were resolved within a day span of time. Once we moved from MongoDB to DynamoDB, we were able to save over $1 million annually from our server costs. We use AWS Lambda, DynamoDB, Amazon EventBridge. During IPL, we clocked 200 million API hits per day. We have more than 50 million write operations on our top table, more than 500 million read operations that is handled by our top table. In regular days, we face an average amount of traffic on a daily basis. But in peak times, our system needs to be scalable and stable whenever there's huge traffic that is coming on our platform. So our TAM gets our architecture reviewed, our processes reviewed, so that even at peak traffic, we are stable and our system works as smoothly as possible. Whichever is in my network as well as my peers, I would certainly recommend Enterprise Support.